guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And as you guys know, we got a 1965 Cobra kit car, and we're super excited about it. We've never done a project like this.
Oh yeah, here we go.
So we have no clue what we're gonna be doing, kinda. We definitely, it's gonna be another car rebuild, so it shouldn't be too hard.
We'll figure it out.
But we've never done a kit car, so let's get this car on dispatch because we can't pick it up. We're actually really busy right now, and let's get working on it.
Let's do it.
Got the Cobra inside. Man, it looks rough, but honestly, we're gonna see, we're gonna find out. The goal is we wanna lift it up, we're gonna take the rims off, tires, check underneath it, see how this is bolted on. I mean, I have no idea, but we'll figure it out. I've heard that the whole body should come off. And then we're gonna work on the engine. We're gonna see if it even spins over. If we have compression, that'd be fantastic, then we could save the engine. We're on a budget, for sure, but we'll try to save what we can, keep as much original as we can, and buy what we need to, but I'm excited. This thing's pretty crazy. I mean, I think this is the source of the fire right here from the fuse box. Looks like it was more towards the center. So I think the engine itself should be fine because they take heat, right? I mean, that's what they're made for. Should be fine.
And this should be a lot easier than the Ford Raptor we did.
Oh yeah, I mean, after the Raptor, it's like, whatever.
You remember what the Raptor looked like?
Yeah, it was bad. There was nothing left, so.
But how'd it come out?
It's nice. I mean, we drive it around, sounds great, looks great. So there's definitely a light at the end of the tunnel. There's hope.
Let's check it out. So we have what it looks like is a 4.6 engine.
The belt's still fine, it's nice.
Yeah, it's missing the battery right there.
Oh, that's what all right, that makes sense.
But
Wait, look at this custom made little cooler box and stuff. That's nice.
and then interior, it's got the double hoops. That's really cool. It's got the bucket seats.
Racing.
It's got racing 5-point
nice.
or 4-point harness.
Legit.
It's got some kind of dash. Yeah. It's missing the radio though. Look at that. Why would they take the radio?
Dang.
But this is a Factory 5 kit. It's a Mark IV.
I mean, yeah, legit. We got serial plate, everything here. Look at that.
We got even the floor mats. Look at that.
Original.
But let's get to work. Right, Michael?
Let's do it. Let's get it up. So this is a spare tire or something? I mean, that other one's way wider. Ivan said it looked like a trailer tire, maybe. But it's a good spare, just in case.
I mean, since all the wheels don't match, I think he just threw on something he had.
Yeah.
So
Dang, this looks nice though, for sure.
it's got some brake, independent brake.
Yukon, gear and axle.
All right, let's keep going.
That's nice. All right, got all the wheels off.
All right, guys, we got the wheels off, and so far it looks so good. Suspension-wise, looks good. It doesn't look like there's any fire damage going on over here. Underneath, it looks good. So we're just gonna lower it down because I thought it'd be easier to get underneath to spin it over, but it looks like on top would be a lot easier. So we're gonna lower it down and try to spin the engine over.
Yeah, I mean, it looks really clean inside. I definitely didn't take this out with snow or dirt.
That's good.
Oh yeah, look at that. No problem. Feels like a good compression though, right? It's not too easy, but
it's got compression. Just got to probably pull the spark plugs out and make sure there's no water, nothing like that. But so far, no resistance, nice and smooth.
nice.
So that's a really good sign. I'm really happy about that. So now let's try to actually get this body off. You know, that's the next game plan. So let's get to it.
All right, guys, so we got the entire body off the car. I mean, this thing looks insane. I don't know, it looks futuristic or really old school. It's hard to tell. There's a lot going on. Obviously, the fire damage. You can see it better now, what's going on there.
So there's a lot of damage behind by the firewall.
Yeah, look
So
at
all
that.
these gauges are gonna be ruined, so that's not good.
But I mean, everything looks pretty basic, pretty simple. There's our computer, there's a fuse box, replace the wire harness. We're basically still gonna tear down a lot, but man, shoot. It wasn't too bad, you know, but once we figured out where all the bolts are and everything.
We also need your guys' help, you guys.
Yeah, I mean, we're missing a hood. We don't have a hood at all. If you know somebody that has a hood, let us know. Email us what to do with the motor, if you should just swap it out, put like a 5.0 in it or something. We don't even know. We don't know what we're gonna do with it, but
We're open to some ideas.
yeah, let us know what people have
so-
done before, where to buy the parts at. That'd be great too. Some, you know, heads up. That'd be nice. Sure. We'll take some pointers. Make sure you guys subscribe. Leave us a comment below what you think we should do, what we shouldn't do, some things we should watch out for, what you think of the entire build. I mean, if you've never seen a kit car like this before, they're kind of rare, but man, it's gonna look great in the streets for sure. All right, guys. So make sure you comment below Cobra, and we'll make some cool custom giveaways for the next video kind of thing. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell for our new videos,
And share the video.
yeah, that'd be great. Let them know we got a Cobra car out there.
We still got the Rebel,
Yeah, I got the Rebel going on. We'll probably do some more quick flips here and there or something, but
and we still have another big project.
we do. It's legit big. So we'll see. We'll let you know what it is later, but stay tuned until next time.